Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to reorder widgets on the cover screen of your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. As a first step, we would need to go to Settings and then scroll down until you'll find this tab, Cover Screen. Click on it and here go to the widgets. Then, on the widgets, we can see the actual widgets that are on your screen and their position. If you want to reorder the widgets, you would need to hold your finger on one exact widget and move it to the place where you want the widget be located. Or for example, we can switch these two widgets by its place. Now, if you want to delete a widget, it's enough to simply click on this red minus that you can see on each widget. And that's it. Now you know how to move and delete widgets. But if you want to add a new widget, you would need to choose one of these categories that you can see on this list, for example, calculator, and then click on the widget that you want to add. They are small or big or any more formats that can be available for the widgets. So I'll add recent calls, for example, and move it under the Samsung Health. And this is how it looks. After you're done with the changes, click on this arrow and all of the changes will be saved. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.